In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize business tasks and boost efficiency with ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clean, centralized system for capturing everything you and your team need to do, prioritizing it, and moving work forward with less effort and more clarity. Start on your ClickUp home or overview screen, then create a new space. A space is a top-level container that keeps related work together, so give it a name that's specific to what you'll manage there. Think of it as the umbrella for a department, a function, or a big project. If you like, add a short description to clarify what belongs in this space and who it's for. That context helps you and your teammates understand its purpose at a glance. When you're ready, continue and confirm to create the space. You'll land in your new space with a default list view where tasks live. Let's start building your master task list. Click to add tasks and type their names one by one. Make them specific enough that someone else could pick them up and know exactly what to do. Instead of newsletter, write draft and schedule March newsletter. Instead of proposal, write prepare proposal for new client onboarding. Add a few more tasks that reflect the real work on your plate, then save. Take a moment to scan the list. Clarity at this stage prevents confusion later. Now let's manage status. Every task in ClickUp has a status that communicates where it stands. Click the small status indicator to switch it to in progress when you've started working. When a task is finished, mark it complete. Completed tasks are hidden by default in many views to keep your list clean, so don't worry if they disappear. That's a signal your list is focusing on what's still active. Next, adjust task type when something is especially important. For a key deliverable or a major checkpoint, change the task type to milestone. This visually distinguishes it from regular tasks and makes it easier to track pivotal moments in your project. Use milestones sparingly for the items that truly mark progress. Ownership is essential for momentum, so assign tasks to the right people. Open the assignee field, search for an existing team member, or enter a teammate's email to invite them. Aim to have exactly one clear owner per task to reduce ambiguity, even if others will collaborate. Go down your list and add assignees so everyone knows who's leading each item. As soon as every task has a name next to it, your plan will already feel more organized. Deadlines turn intentions into action, so add a due date to your next task. Pick a specific date from the calendar, for example selecting the 6th, or use a quick option like this weekend, if that fits your timeline. If the task repeats, set it as recurring. Choose a cadence that matches your workflow, weekly, monthly, or a custom interval, and decide whether each recurrence creates a fresh copy or reschedules the same task. You can also add start and end times if the timing matters. Being precise here helps you protect your calendar and align with others' schedules. With owners and dates in place, set priorities to make it obvious what needs attention first. Open the priority menu and mark critical work as high. This not only helps you sort and filter your list, it also guides your team's focus during busy weeks. Reserve the highest priority for the tasks that truly move the needle, and keep most items at normal or low, so the important ones truly stand out. For even more efficiency, open the options menu, the 3 dots on the right. You'll find tools that can save you time, like templates for reusing task structures and timers to track effort. These features are there to support your process as it matures. You don't need to adopt them all at once. Just know they're handy when you're ready to standardize or measure your work. Now click into a task to review everything in one comprehensive snapshot. The task detail view brings together the title, status, assignee, due date, priority, and activity. Use the comment box to add helpful notes, share updates, or ask for clarification. Mention teammates with the @ symbol so they're notified and can jump in quickly. Attach files your team will need, like drafts, images, or spreadsheets, so everything stays in context. If it's easier, record a quick voice note to explain a nuance or highlight a decision. When your message is ready, send the comment and close the task window to return to your list. Take a step back and look at what you've built. You've created a focused space, captured tasks with clear names, set statuses that reflect real progress, highlighted key deliverables as milestones, assigned ownership, added due dates and recurring schedules, and flagged what's most important with priority levels. You've also seen how the options menu and task details bring extra power when you need it. This simple structure turns scattered to-dos into a reliable shared system you can trust. As you continue, keep your list current. Add new tasks as they come up, update statuses as you work, and complete items the moment they're done, so your view always reflects reality. The more consistently you use these basics, the more value you'll get from ClickUp's organization and automation features. That's it for today. Follow these steps the next time your workload starts to sprawl, and you'll feel the difference immediately. Clear priorities, clear ownership, and a calmer, more efficient way to run your business. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe so you don't miss more simple, practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.